restoration. Here we have the Armstrong Siddeley Hurricane steering wheel. Now this is a Bluemels steering wheel, the Bluemels adjusting nut, and it was manufactured by Bluemels. In the back of the wheel there's a Bluemels, their logo and their trademark Douglas and their patent numbers. And this is quite an unusual steering wheel in brown for Bluemels, but they did build custom steering wheels for limited small manufacturers like Armstrong Siddeley, and this is a classic case of a quite rare Bluemels steering wheel.